Hello everyone, hi, how are you all doing? And a very warm welcome to all of you in our today's video. Today in our A to Z series, we have the alphabet Q, and from Q we will be learning about quick sleep. So let us see the acupressure points. Before that, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, then please do subscribe and do share this video with others so that they can also get this informative video. And if you want to join our WhatsApp group or our Telegram group, then do click on the link in the description box. So let us see. So we'll be massaging 3 points today together. Okay, we'll massage them together. We have 3 points over here on the wrist joint. Just below the wrist joint, we have 3 points, 3 acupressure points. We have on the thumb side over here, we have the point LU9, lung 9. In the middle, we have the point pericardium 7, and on the last side towards the small finger side, we have the point heart 7. Okay, I'll mark all the 3 points over here. So see, just below our thumb side, just below our wrist joint, we have the point over here. This one is the LU9 point, lung 9 point. In the center, we have the point of our pericardium 7, and towards the small finger side, on the down side, we have the point of heart 7. Okay, LU9, pericardium 7, heart 7. These are the 3 points which are located just below our wrist joint. All the 3 points will help you to calm your mind down and to make you sleep fast. Okay. So what we will do, we can press all the 3 points single also. So pressing the LU9 point first, then pressing the pericardium 7 point, and then pressing the heart 9 point, like this. Okay. But other way what you can do is, so what we will do, we can just use our index finger and the thumb of another hand and just rotate it like this on the wrist, on your wrist joint. Okay. So this will help you to stimulate all the 3 points together. We'll just stimulate it like this. You can similarly do on the other hand too, as these points are bilateral, situated on both the sides. You can just massage your wrist like this for 1 to 2 minutes. You can use any kind of oil and cream and just massage it properly. You will feel superb results with it. So do this treatment daily and you will definitely find the results. So that's all for today. If you are liking our A to Z series, then please do subscribe my channel.